Here at Cope Cosmetic Dermatology, we are different. My name may be on the wall, on the sign, but it's not about me. It's about you. It's about the patient. It's about your face, your skin, and your goals.
First and foremost, who a person is on the inside is the most important. At Cope Cosmetic Dermatology, we want to give people the tools to go forward and to have the confidence to go forward and do what they feel called to do.
When I come into the office, it feels like family.
The minute you walk in the door, you just feel so welcome and warm, and it's a beautiful office. The staff is amazing.
I'm really not interested in doing something that doesn't deliver a result, which is why we do the treatments that we do. We're only interested in home runs. We want to help you have a home run for your skin, and we want you to have a great experience while you're here doing it.
One thing that I love that he does is I feel like he takes my best features that I have and he just restores them without augmenting to something different, something unrecognizable, something that's not me.
Every day I look at my skin and I'm like, wow, I feel like my skin is aging backwards.
I have just me. It's just me, but 15 years younger.
It is so good for you to take care of yourself and to put your best foot forward, and you are worth it.
If you're interested at all in what we're talking about and what we do here at Cope Cosmetic Dermatology, I would love to meet you. I would love to get to know you and see what are your goals for your skin. You'll never feel pressure or pushiness from us. We truly just want to help you have the best skin of your life.